So this was a fun sideline project for a little while. It gave me the opportunity to show you guys the value of this workflow, because you can see how doing a daily video, putting it back into Slack, getting the transcript for it, putting it into social media and multiple places like you've been doing, Ollie, has value, right? It's not a random thing. So we are now number 3 out of 2.6 billion results, right? We don't have to prove anything to anybody about our expertise in how this process works and how it provides value to businesses that are looking for a business online. Agreed?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's do another search. I'm going to search for digital signage. What is digital signage? That's our core business. We own digitalsign.com. We also have some other assets, including ENS corporate, which is what we do for emergency notification signage. And I want you to notice something here. Top, digitalsignage.com. Okay? And then we've got digitalsignage.mx for Mexico. It's probably because I'm in Mexico. CyberClicks, Green Cloud. But look who's here. Everybody, you see who's number 4 in the world? Okay. And this is out of 320 million results. So, everybody out loud, Wikipedia, right? Great?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you remember the conversation I had with you that didn't seem like it made a lot of sense at the time, talking about a library and doing a one-page essay and sharing it to the library? The importance of having the where you want to be in the library, your keyword, and the importance of making a document that needs to have a proper title. Okay? This is where all of the work that you just saw with Launch Online really wasn't that difficult, was it? It's not that hard. It's just not properly done by most companies. You're now going to be targeted in this industry. Understood? Okay. If I go to Wikipedia, it begs the question, how is it possible that a single web page talking about a topic is number 4 out of an entire industry? It's a multi-billion dollar industry. Shouldn't that make you take pause and go, huh? Remember before it didn't seem real? Now it seems a lot more real than number 3 for Launch Online. Yeah? Okay. So that's why what you're doing is so important in the next few days here. Okay, Rolly? Got it? Okay. So you're going to post this back into both websites. You're going to post this back into ENS Corporate, and you're going to post this back into digitalsign.com, because this is your mandate. Your mandate is to make sure that you're following the recipe that I showed you. Same thing, RV. Your mandate is going to be following the rules that I laid out before to you that have not been followed yet for these websites. Understood?
Yeah.
And you're going to do the same thing that you did for Launch Online, but we're going to be doing it for 2 brands now. ENS Corporate or the digitalsign.com. We are going to be top page around digital signage, which is what we specialize in, right? Okay, so we're back. What are we doing here, Rolly? We're taking a look at your device, your account. So there's no security risk here. This is all our private device we're playing around in the Network Operations Center. And this is a practice layout that you're working on right now, correct?
No, I didn't.
You didn't move the sign to the one? That's okay. You're still working on the old one. Move your camera shot over the sign, please. We're going to send an emergency alert here because nobody's seen what we do.
Right.
So, please, camera over. So, for anybody watching this video, I'm working remote from Sailboat, Mexico. Rolly's in part of the network operations and support center side, and I'm sending off a fire alert. This is actual target sign 2908. Hitting save in 3, 2, 1. Hitting save now. So the point is, I took over his screen with an emergency alert on the other side of the planet in 0.2 seconds. I'm getting rid of that alert now. Okay, so delete the alert. 3, 2, 1. Clicking on delete now. So that's the importance of what we do insofar as ENS, emergency notification signage. What we do has to be perfect because lives are at risk if it's not. So we take it for granted day by day, right, Dave? This is what we do all day, every day. But for anybody watching this video out there in the public domain that hasn't seen this before, understand the Operations Center for Emergency Notification Signage.